Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some great stretching exercises. This is also great for beginners and seniors as well. So I'm sitting down first of all. Now you can sit cross-legged and we're just gently going to first of all take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with blood flow and oxygen to the whole area of the body, and this will also calm the nervous system down. So placing my hands onto my knees just very gently, and if you like you can close your eyes, take a big deep belly breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, and one last time. And then placing our hand onto our tummy, just very gently breathe in for 3 and hold that core, that engagement when we're also doing our stretching exercises. So let's first of all start on the neck and head area. So I'm just first of all just going to roll my shoulders backwards, nice and slowly, and just relieving any tension within the shoulder area. Again, we hold a lot of tension here. And then coming forward. And then I just like to go back a couple of times just to reset the shoulder in place. Now we're going to now just very gently come down with our head. If you don't have any neck issues, come back up and then just turn gently to the side and then the other side. Let's do this one last time, looking down, breathing out, coming up, breathing in, breathing out, going to the side, and breathing out on the other side, and coming back. So now with my hand placed onto the floor here, I'm taking my other hand and I'm just going to gently stretch the side. You should be able to feel it on your obliques here. Just a nice gentle stretch of the waist, and then coming back up onto the other side. And the other side. And one last time. And then we're going to place our hands here. We're going to place it as far as we can by the back, and then we're going to take our other hand and just gently hold it in place. A nice stretch here of the arms here. Really stretching that out. Again, remembering to sit as straight as you can. Now, if you're not on the floor, you can always do these sitting in a chair. And then just very gently come back down, taking our other hand, placing it behind our head if you like, and then just gently pull. You don't want to overstretch. And gently come back down again, and just pull it out with the shoulders if you like, with your arms. So now we're going to do a gentle twist. So I'm just placing my hand onto the floor here, placing my other hand onto my knee and breathing outwards. We're just very gently going to look to the side. And coming back up. And then again, hand on the floor, other hand onto the knee, and just gently exhaling and looking to the other side. And gently come back out. So now when it comes to feet, we obviously use our feet a lot, and we don't actually tend to look after our feet very well. They seem to be the last thing. So I'm just first of all going to take my foot and I'm placing my hands onto my toes, and I'm just gently going to go in a round circular motion with the ankle here, and whichever way is best for you. Round circular motion one way and then the other. And then you want to take your fingers, and if you can possibly place them between your toes. This is quite tricky, particularly if you haven't done this before or if you have any bunions, so just be very careful. So once your feet, your hands are between your toes, again, if you can just go around in a slow circular motion. You may have to build up to this, and then the other way. And then let's go on to the other side. Sorry, dog in the background. So taking our other ankle, and we're just gently round circular motion, going one way and then the other. And then taking our fingers, again, if you can, put them in between the toes of from your feet, and then just gently again go round one way. And then the other. And just give it a little wiggle out. So let's do a bit of a cat's cow now, which is really great also for the back. So we're going into a nice position here with our feet down, and you want to take your fingers and really spread them out so you have plenty of surface area. And then we're just gently going to arch our back upwards and look down. And then come back and go the opposite way, so glutes up and head up. And we do this 3 times. And last time. And then you just come down, if you can, onto your toes, and then take out the hands and the arms as far as you can. And gently come back up. So I hope you enjoyed today's very gentle, easy stretch, again for beginners, seniors. Now I do have plenty of other videos, so please check those out as well. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.